Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to unbox the RØDE wireless go-to wireless microphones. So let's find out what's in the box and what's on the box. Now what's on it, you do have a free software download, RØDE Central. So they highly suggest that you download that. These are dual channel wireless. They do have a 3.5 millimeter USB-C audio outputs. That's interesting. It also has built-in microphone, and it is 2.4 gigahertz, just like the MacOS system that I have on now that we're using. The Wireless Go is the ultra compact and extremely versatile wireless microphone system consisting of a dual channel receiver and 2 transmitters. Wow. Now what's supposed to come in this box is 1 receiver, 2 transmitters, 3 fur windshields, dead cats, 3 USB-C cables, 1 3.5 millimeter TRS cable, and 1 carrying pouch. Now, one thing that I see already, the difference between this and the Movo is this one from RØDE does not come with the power case. You have the little case that you can put these in to charge them back up. Looks like you have to charge these independently. Oh, and of course on this side here, it does say 4 USB-C devices, although made specifically for iPhone, iPad, or iPod. However, you can use it for just about anything. How do you get in this thing? Might not be able to save the box, but we're going to try. Oops. And no, you're not going to be able to save the box. Okay. There we go. Now in here, we do have, first thing out is the cables and the quick setup guide. We'll need that a little bit later. And here's the TRS to TRS cable, 3.5 millimeters, that is. And then here we have a USB-C to USB-A. There's 1, 2, 3 of those. A very nice Swedish kind of carrying case. Very strong Velcro. And then, ta-da! We have, dun, dun, dun. Ooh, we have a very special RØDE microphone silicone packet. And then we have a fuzzy, 2 fuzzies, 3 fuzzies. And that goes with the, like this is the receiver, I'm assuming. And then, yep, because this is the one of the transmitters. This is another one of the transmitters. Now you can see on the top here, there is a place that you can put an external microphone. Now that does not come with an external microphone with it, a wired lavalier mic. On the Movo system, it did. So that's one interesting difference as well. On the side here is the USB-C input for charging and the on-off switch. And that is what you get on the RØDE system. Now I am planning on doing a review of this item as well as a very extensive test. So stay tuned for that. And as always, have a great day.